In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a document to a LinkedIn post. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started and navigate through this together. First things first, you'll want to head over to the top of your LinkedIn homepage. You'll notice a field that says Start a Post. Go ahead and click on that. This is where we'll begin the process of sharing your document with your LinkedIn network. Once you've clicked to start a post, you'll see several options. Look towards the bottom for the More option. Click on that, and from the expanded list, you will see an option that says Document. Select it. This is going to prompt you to choose a file from your computer. Now, a handy tip here is to have the file you plan on uploading readily accessible, ideally on your desktop. This makes the process smoother and quicker. Click on Choose File, browse your desktop or wherever you've stored the file. Click on the document you want to upload, then click Upload. After your file is uploaded, LinkedIn will ask you to provide a title for your document. This step is quite important because a descriptive title helps your audience immediately understand what the file is about. So take a moment here to think about a suitable title, something that clearly conveys the purpose or content of the document. Once you've done that, simply click Next. Now your document is attached to your LinkedIn post. But before you hit that final post button, you have the option to add a caption or description. This is your chance to add some context to your document, maybe a brief summary of its contents or why you're sharing it. It's a great way to engage your audience and encourage interactions. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to share your creation with the world. Click on Post, and voila, your document will now appear on your LinkedIn feed for your connections to view and interact with. And there you have it. You've successfully added a document to a LinkedIn post. All in all, it's a straightforward process that allows you to enhance your LinkedIn presence by sharing insightful, informative documents. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video. It really helps me out. And if you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.